Kawadhi nyime en jatend piny machon Uhuru Kenyatta wuok tung' mosruok gi jatend piny DRC Felix Tshisekedi kose kuom bedo ohinga e nyayo twak mar tieko lweny madhi nyime e imbo ma DRC. Uhuru kokalo kuom jaloso mare Kanzedena ywak ni iduoro chenro matayo twak mar manyo kwe e kind kweth njore mag M23 kod jotelo mag riwruok pinje mag Afrika EAC kosiemo ranyisi mar wuodh jolweny Kenya ma KDF e piny DR Congo. Uhuru okoni yor reso lweny go eko magoma en mana twak ma Nairobi Kenya kod mano ma Luanda Angola, kama jotelo neno dwaro ni piny Rwanda kod DRC ogud wigi kanyakla achiel kendo loso mar tieko ywaruok.
The facilitator, President Kenyatta, conducted extensive diplomatic engagements, meeting with political, civil, military stakeholders across the region. Key initiatives included multiple targeted discussions with armed groups, including the M23, confidence-building measures with various civil rights and women groups, and the organization of several high-level conferences to resolve tensions and identify pathways to peace. However, in June 2023, as the all-important 4th Intra-Congolese Dialogue Conference was set to take place, political attention in the Democratic Republic of Congo shifted toward the upcoming national elections that were to be held that year, that is 2023, in December. The shift resulted in the slowing down of the Nairobi peace process, and unfortunately at the same time, a political impasse resulted in the withdrawal of the Kenya forces from the ICRAF.